Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making zucchini and Jamon Iberico tapas. We want to start by cutting the ends of the zucchini, make sure that they're shorter and thicker. Then we want to use a cheese grater to make thin slices, and we're going to set those aside. Next we want to take some Emmentaler cheese and slice into equal sized slices as well. We want to open up this package of beautiful acorn-fed Jamon Iberico, and then we want to cut these Iberico slices into half and set aside. When the grill is hot, we want to oil it, and next we want to place the zucchini slices on the grill. And we're going to season them with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. When they have a nice char, you want to flip them over. Then we want to place the Emmentaler cheese slices on top. When the cheese is starting to melt, it's time to remove the slices from the grill. And next we want to place some of the Jamon Iberico inside. Then we want to roll these up and secure with toothpicks. And now the zucchini and Jamon Iberico tapas are ready to serve. And that is how I make these little tapas from Spain. And I think the only thing left to do is to try it and see what it tastes like. And that looks so good. Easy to make, packed with a ton of flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.